Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to know the benefits of Moringa powder. We all know that Moringa powder is green in color and looks similar to spinach or a green tea. The interesting fact of the Moringa powder is that the Moringa leaves contain 3 times iron than the spinach. This Moringa powder is used widely in food while preparing curries, dal, etc. in India, and it is more often used by the people in tea, which helps in decreasing weight. This powder can also be taken to reduce tiredness, as this powder is rich in vitamins A. That is the reason why this powder is used for skin benefits. And most importantly, this powder is considered as an immunity booster. This moringa powder is mainly used traditionally for joint pains. So, this is the reason why most of the people use this moringa powder in their daily routine. We can just simply sprinkle the moringa powder in salads, veggies, which can help in muscle growth. The popularly moringa powder is known as for its benefit as a tea, which is used for anti-stress. To improve vision, this powder is mostly used with foods. Most importantly, for diabetic patients, this powder can reduce the weight and also reduce the amount of glucose in the blood. The leaves of moringa tree can treat cancer, and these are good for liver health. Moringa powder is mostly good for the skin as it will minimize breakouts, wrinkles, and guard against pollution. Since this moringa is filled with vitamin A, this can treat with the problem of the skin. When moringa powder is applied topically, it encourages the skin cells to renew themselves at lightning speed. It helps to limit pesky breakouts, blur blemishes, and pigmentation. The iron fine lines into oblivion. The flawless complexion can be yours if you use it regularly. So guys, these are the few benefits of moringa powder. These can be used mostly for the skin and for hair care. Thanks for watching our video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.